The best wakeboard bindings. Wakeboard boots or bindings are the footwear that connects your feet to a wakeboard. The best wakeboard bindings can increase your performance when you use wakeboard. It isn't easy to find wakeboard bindings that can fit all sizes. Thanks to this guide we have compiled based on their overall quality, grip, and long-lasting construction. Therefore, searching for wakeboard boots will no longer be a difficult task. Watch on to choose the right product. Number 1. Best for multi-user board. Ronix Divide Wakeboard Boots. Ronix Divide Wakeboard bindings are easy to put on and take off with a super comfy yet secure fit. They are the lightest boots with an open toe binding and no foundation for maximum sensation, adaptability, and versatility. The wakeboard bindings are a great choice for community boards, and when you merely need to get out on the water. Pros: perfect fitting, highly durable, best for multi-user board, lightweight. Cons: might wear off soon. Number 2. Best for flexibility. Hyperlite Formula Men's Wakeboard Bindings. Hyperlite Formula bindings set the standard for all-day wakeboarding and happy feet. The formula's 3-part Velcro closure system makes it simple to put on, while providing a secure and comfortable fit for different foot sizes. Its universal mounting mechanism allows them to be mounted on any wakeboard. It also features a low-pro plate system, which reduces the volume of the bindings by nearly 16%. Thus giving you a lighter feel. The wakeboard connects its sidewall to the chassis, creating a sturdy base. Pros: adjustable fit, lightweight, dual density foot. A low pro plate system decreases the volume. Cons: straps may be flimsy. Number 3. Hyperlite Remix Men's Wakeboard Bindings. Binding opens white easing entry to begin your session. Support level mid-material selection engineering to offer a softer, more flexible feel. Adjustable sizing, adjustable toe design, and floating tongue offer different shoe sizes a secure fit. Share your bindings and number pass handle. Low Pro Plate System. The Low Pro Plate System takes much of what we learned from the system binding and incorporates it into a more traditional design. We began by reducing the overall volume by nearly 16%, which translates into a much lighter boot. Our drop-through foot keeps a rider closer to the deck for maximum control and response. To ensure the baseless design did not produce unwanted plate twists, we connected the sidewalls to the chassis, creating a stronger foundation. Number 4. Control Blazer Wakeboard Bindings Men's SC 8-11. Quick lace closure on upper and lower. Quick lace closure system allows for fast and precise adjustment to ensure a snug fit for any rider. Dual Density EVA provides a soft and forgiving cushion to keep you comfortable on the wake for extended riding sessions. Thumb screws for mounting allows for quick, easy, and tool-free removal or attachment. Comfort lining within the bindings provide a soft yet secure feel. Open toe style accommodates men's shoe sizes 8-11. Number 5. Hyperlite Wakeboard Package Agent and Agent Bindings fits boot sizes 8-14. The complete Agent wakeboard setup from Hyperlite is designed to maximize pop off the wake, while providing superior stability and response while carving. The Agent wakeboard features a subtle 3-stage rocker which creates catch-free riding and boosts off the wake. The Agent binding then creates a superior cushion landing and unparalleled board feel. Make this season the season you take your riding to the next step. That's all from my end. I make helpful videos daily, so do subscribe to my channel. If you need more information or want to know the product price, check out my description. For any kind of problem, please comment below. Stay updated with our cool products as it will make your life much easier.